Green grass covered the field. Pick out the noun phrase and the verb phrase in this sentence. Let's first identify the nouns or naming words in this sentence. Both grass and field are nouns or naming words. But do they exist among a group of words? Yes, they exist in groups. So, green grass and the field are noun phrases. Now kids, can you identify the subject and the predicate in this sentence? Green grass is the subject and covered the field is the predicate. So, the noun phrase, green grass, functions as the subject here, whereas the other noun phrase, the fields, lies in the predicate of the sentence. So kids, a noun phrase can exist in the subject as well as in the predicate. Now let's identify the verb phrase here. The phrase containing the verb is known as a verb phrase. The verb in this sentence is covered. So, the phrase covered the field is a verb phrase here. All the friends of Annie love chocolate. Here, the noun phrase is all the friends of Annie. Chocolate is a noun, but not a noun phrase, as it is a single word and not a group. Love chocolate is the verb phrase here, as it contains the verb love. The things lying on the table are looking untidy. The noun phrase here is things lying on the table, which also happens to be the subject of the sentence. The rest of the sentence, are looking very untidy, is a verb phrase and also the predicate of the sentence.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!